Hey guys, it's Angel. So we're doing something different on my channel today. I am going to show you guys how to make the perfect lychee martini. Now I don't really make alcoholic beverages on my channel, but I'll make an exception because this is literally the perfect lychee martini. I was at the sushi restaurant the other day with my friend. We do like a monthly girls' night out, and I didn't understand why she kept ordering these lychee martinis until I tried it. It was so delicious, perfectly sweet, perfectly tart, and just the right amount of flavors in there. So if you guys like lychees and are a lychee lover like me, this one's for you. Oh wait, and just make sure that you guys are over 21 and you drink responsibly. All right, so let's get started. So I have my martini shaker out here. You will definitely need a martini shaker for this. And we're gonna add some lime juice first. I'm going to need 1 lime. Dry my lime off. And if you guys want to make this more tart, you can use the full lime juice, but I'm just going to use half a lime for this recipe. Highly recommend a lemon or lime juicer if you don't have one already. Just squeeze that directly into the martini shaker. Next, let's add our vodka. I'm using Grey Goose vodka here. This is not a sponsored video, so don't judge, guys. This looks like an extra large bottle of vodka, but that's what happens when you go to Costco. You know what I mean, right? So I'm going to use 1 shot, which is about 1.5 ounces of vodka. It's 1.5 ounces of vodka. We will also need some lychee liqueur. Now, this is actually the bartender at the Japanese restaurant, the sushi bar. I got this recipe from him, so I'm using the exact same ingredients he's using to create the perfect lychee martini. So this is Soho brand lychee liqueur, and it literally smells like fresh lychees. Anyways, we will need 1 shot of that as well, so about the same amount, 1.5 ounces. Next, the sweetener. So I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of cane sugar mixed in with water. So this is simple syrup. This is just 1 part of cane sugar and 1 part of water. And I just mixed that together earlier and put that in the fridge. You can also use agave sweetener too. Next, more lychees. So this is actually a jar of canned lychees that I put in a mason jar here. So it's canned lychees from the store along with this juice and syrup. So I am just going to take 1 lychee out, put it in the martini glass, and I'm going to take another one out, which we will put on the side of the glass later. In here, we will also add 3 tablespoons of the lychee syrup. 1, 2, 3. And now we're ready to shake our drink. I've got a bucket of ice. I'm going to add some ice cubes directly to the martini shaker. Make sure it's really tight before we start shaking, and then shake. So we'll want to shake for about 40 shakes, or until like this is super cold to the touch. You want the martini to be extra cold. Now we'll just lift the lid. And pour into the glass. Great. And now we're just gonna garnish it with a lychee. And that is how you make the perfect lychee martini. Cheers. Wow. So that there's that initial tartness of the lime, But then there's that sweet smoothness of the lychees. It's delicious, and I guarantee you, if you try this lychee martini recipe, you won't stop at just one. Remember, drink responsibly, guys. I'm Angel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this type of video with this lychee martini, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also post in the comments and let me know what's your favorite martini flavor. And as my grandpa would say, sharing a meal with a fascinating stranger is one of life's true delights. So until we can have some sushi and some lychee martini together, take care, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Cheers, guys.